So, a company named Idealife gave me an opportunity to review one of their products. This one in particular is a submersible LED light. So today I'll be doing an unboxing to basically show you what you get when you buy it. I'll go through some basic functions later as well. Now as soon as you open, you get the manual that nobody reads. Then 2 packs of everything. By the way, they do sell it in singles also. But the one that you see in this video is a 2-pack bundle. So you get 2 LED lights, 2 sets of suction cups, and these 2 remotes. Each light has 10 LEDs on it. It's a twist to open mechanism, and then it uses 3 AA batteries to function. It has rubber seals on both inner and outer casings, which pretty much is what helps it reach its IP68 waterproof rating. The remotes work seamlessly. It's just pressing a button and it just simply works. Okay, what's weird is that there's no one specific remote assigned for one light. You can actually use either remote to operate the lights. What's weirder is that you can actually control both of the lights with just one remote at the same time. Be very careful not to lose the remotes. There's no buttons or switches on the unit itself. So I guess what that means is that one of the remotes is essentially a spare, and since one remote simultaneously controls both, there's no option on the remote to pick and choose which light you want to control. So that's something to consider. Now let's check out each of the 5 modes. Sorry, I realized that I was going too fast pressing buttons, so let's pull back and give this another go. This time much slower. So there are a number of colors available, 7 of them to be exact, starting with red, you got green, purple, pink, yellow, I think this is blue, and then you have the white. Then we've got 5 modes. The first one, as it says on the remote, is strobe, where as you can see it blinks 3 times each color. It just shifts from one color to another. The next one is called Spark, which is sifting through the colors one by one, smoothly but rapidly. Next one is Flash. So it just goes, it is not smooth, but it just sifts through the colors. Okay, now there's this mode called Breathe, where the light just stays on the color that you choose and basically smoothly turns on and off until you tell it to stop. And lastly, we have the mode they call Crossfade, which is exactly the same thing as Breathe, but rather than staying in one color, it smoothly transitions through the colors. Okay, let's take a look at the back part of this unit. That single square piece right in the middle, it's the magnet, but I wouldn't rely on it too much because when I tested it on the fridge, placed vertically, it doesn't really hold it, it slides right down. But I guess it depends on the metal that you attach it to. As you can see here, it works just fine. And as you saw, you can only put 2 suction cups at a time, but they give you a total of 8 pieces, so that's plenty for backup. It's not like you're gonna use it anyways. Alright, so there you go. That's the product from Idealife. I know we didn't get to test the key feature of the item, which is submerging it in water. So my plan is to probably make another video, keyword probably, and see what else we can use this light for. And for sure, it would be including testing it in water, submerging it in water, definitely. But anyways, thank you for watching. I'll put a product link in the description, and so that you guys can find it if you plan to buy it. But thanks to Idealife for sending it to me, and cheers.